Interactive templates and backgrounds in EasyWrite 6 add more interactivity and structure to your lessons. To find the templates, tap here on the toolbar, then tap the templates icon. From here, you can select various templates. All our templates are fully customizable. Select and edit the elements to fit any lesson. To add a background to your whiteboard, tap this icon. You can load background patterns for plotting charts and graphs, and change the background color. Tapping the plus button will enable you to select from a wider range of colors. To remove a color from the palette, tap and hold on a color, then tap Delete. Tap Select Image to choose from built-in images in our background gallery, such as music paper, sports fields, the periodic table, and more. And if you want to use a specific background, you can add your own by tapping the Add button. Explore new ways to give more engaging lessons with the new EasyWrite backgrounds and interactive templates.